There are Restomods, and then there's the new Boreham Motorworks Ford Escort Mk1 RS. At first glance, it looks like a perfectly restored 1970s Escort rally car. But this machine is something far more ambitious. Boreham calls it a Continuumad, a car officially licensed by Ford Motor Company, engineered from the ground up and built entirely new from scratch. No donor shell, no restored chassis. Every single component is newly manufactured using modern production methods while remaining faithful to the original blueprint. To understand why this matters, you have to go back to the late 1960s, when the original Ford Escort Mk1 became one of rallying's greatest legends. Lightweight, compact, rear-wheel drive, and effective on loose surfaces, the Escort RS dominated European rally stages through the 1970s. The Escort RS 1600 and RS 2000 became icons thanks to drivers such as Hannu Mikkola, Roger Clark, and Björn Waldegård. The Escort was all about mechanical simplicity, balance, and driver skill. The new Boreham Escort RS channels exactly that philosophy. Only 150 examples will be built worldwide, each carrying continuation chassis numbers approved by Ford itself. Production starts with an all-new body structure, engineered to modern tolerances, and significantly stiffer than the original car. The chassis has been subtly reworked with improved suspension geometry, inspired by historic Allemand racing Escorts, while modern lightweight materials help keep weight below 900 kilograms. Under the hood, customers can choose between two naturally aspirated engines. The first is a revised 1.8-liter twin-cam, producing around 185 horsepower, paired to a traditional 4-speed manual gearbox. But the headline power plant is the 2.1-liter 10K engine, a motorsport-derived 4-cylinder, producing 325 horsepower and revving up to 10,000 revolutions per minute. Boreham intentionally left out power steering, ABS, and traction control. Even the engineering is deeply modern beneath the retro bodywork. The rear axle uses aluminum and titanium components to reduce unsprung mass, while advanced manufacturing techniques, including 3D printed engine castings, allow the powertrain to remain incredibly light and responsive. The experience is completely analog. The 5-speed dogleg manual gearbox, mechanical limited slip differential, dry sump lubrication system, billet internals, individual throttle bodies, and ultra-lightweight construction are all designed around pure driver engagement. Inside, the cabin blends retro rally aesthetics with modern craftsmanship. Carbon fiber panels, bespoke switchgear, and lightweight racing seats create an atmosphere that feels authentically 1970s, yet engineered to modern standards. One of the standout details is the pair of Breitling rally chronographs integrated into the dashboard, a tribute to classic stage timing instruments used during the golden age of rally racing. All this exclusivity comes at a reasonably high price. The Boreham Motorworks Ford Escort Mk1 RS starts at around £295,000 before taxes in Europe and UK, and around $400,000 in the USA, placing it firmly in supercar territory. It will be available in both left-hand drive and right-hand drive configuration. Each vehicle will be backed by a 2-year, 20,000-mile warranty from Boreham Motorworks.